In this video, let me show you how you can create Locals account. First, open your browser. Next, click the search button at the top and type local.com. Hit enter. Now make sure you're on locals.com. Scroll a bit down and you'll see the sign up button in the top right. Click that and then click sign up with Rumble. If you already have a Rumble account, you can just type in your credentials and sign in. Now that you've entered your information, click next, create your password. They will email you code, so go to your Gmail or email provider, copy the code that you've sent, and paste it back into the verification field. Click approve, click continue. You'll now have the option to upload a photo. After that, continue once more. Choose some topics you're interested in and click finish. That's how you create an account on Locals. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.